Creating and monetizing short videos using AI tools is an efficient way to earn money online. Sarah is making $17,322 at least every month. If you want to earn money like this, then watch this video till end. It explores best AI tools to create short videos in minutes and save your time. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide focusing on the best AI tools. First, consider Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an intuitive AI-powered platform that transforms text content into engaging videos. Start by signing up for an account. Once you're in, you can input a URL or paste your text directly into Lumen 5. The tool will automatically generate a video storyboard, suggesting relevant visuals and transitions. You can customize the video by choosing different templates and themes to match your style. The drag-and-drop interface makes editing straightforward, allowing you to refine text overlays, adjust scene timings, and select background music. This makes it easy to produce multiple shorts in minutes, perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Next up is InVideo. InVideo is another robust AI tool that helps you create professional quality videos quickly. After creating an account, you can start by selecting from thousands of templates tailored for short-form content. Input your text or media, and InVideo's AI will generate a video with appropriate visuals, transitions, and effects. The platform offers extensive customization options, including a wide range of fonts, animations, and music tracks. InVideo also supports batch processing, so you can create several videos simultaneously by importing multiple text files or URLs. This feature is particularly useful for content creators who need to produce a high volume of shorts efficiently. Pictory is another excellent AI video creation tool. It specializes in converting long-form content like blog posts and articles into short, shareable videos. Sign up for Pictory, then upload your text or input a URL. The AI will highlight key points and generate a concise video summary. Pictory's interface allows you to personalize your videos with custom fonts, colors, and logos. The tool also includes a voiceover feature, enabling you to add narration to your shorts easily. Pictory's ability to generate quick, impactful videos from extensive content makes it ideal for creators looking to maximize their output without sacrificing quality.
For those focused on social media platforms, Animoto is a fantastic option. Animoto's AI-driven platform offers a user-friendly experience designed to create videos optimized for social sharing. Start by selecting a template and uploading your content. Animoto's AI will then arrange your text, images, and video clips into a cohesive video. You can tweak the video by choosing different styles, transitions, and music tracks. Animoto's strength lies in its simplicity and speed, making it perfect for creators who want to produce eye-catching videos quickly for platforms like Instagram Reels and Facebook Stories. Finally, Canva, known for its graphic design capabilities, also offers powerful AI video creation tools. After logging into Canva, you can choose from a variety of video templates designed for short-form content. Upload your text, images, and video clips, and Canva's AI will assist in generating a polished video. The platform provides extensive customization options, including animations, transitions, and a vast library of music tracks. Canva's integrated approach allows you to create visually appealing videos that are perfect for attracting attention on social media platforms. Once your videos are ready, upload them to platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. These platforms are optimized for short-form content and offer monetization opportunities through their respective programs. By leveraging AI tools like Lumen 5, InVideo, Pictory, Animoto, and Canva, you can efficiently produce high-quality shorts that capture audience attention and generate income. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share with your friends, and press the bell icon to get the notifications for the latest content about making money online using different ways. This channel promotes the ways to make money online, and your subscription motivates us bringing such content for you.